ride that, pick it up, throw it back, drop that. Never go back and forth with a. I'm too pretty, gotta stop that. I'm lit, how Casamigos, my pretty white toes, my natural afro, my neck and wrist rose. Yeah, work, just look at my when I twerk, twerk that mad, that's that hurt. A bitch like me, yeah, I know my worth. And with me is a game in the curse. I pay my own rent. Come no sleeping over, put me in my place. Be grateful, you should be thankful. You even get to breathe in a real space. I got that Hellcat, skirt off on it as soon as I get off his face. You don't put wing hand on this frontal, yes you can afford to replace this lace. Drop the bag on my purse, purse. That El Chapo, this that work, work. Big show face, you hurt. All that talking ain't making me nervous. Feeling yourself, put down the balls. Yeah. I wanna see you work, 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 and work. I wanna see you work out of bed, work. You like when I ride that, pick it up, throw it back, drop that. Never go back and forth with a. I'm too pretty, gotta stop that. I'm lit, how Casamigos, my pretty white toes, my natural afro, my neck and wrist rose. Yeah, work, just look at my when I twerk that mad, that's that hurt. A bitch like me, yeah, I know my worth. With me is a game in the curse. Shout out to my this little to go, and an honorable mention to my throw. I'll please rise, let's close that. And I'm a real let's so my body, my choice. Ain't no good taking my voice. Crazy how y'all be the first ones tuned in, listening, but claim I ain't making no noise. House going through the night, still ain't cut like me. Cowgirl head still can't look like me. I done squished my shit like 4-5 times. None of these get nails done like me. Call him when it's something I don't wanna play for. He's scared to spin it on me cause he know I'm player. But I'ma ride that so good, have him come to the spirits like a sound. He like when I ride that, pick it up, throw it back, drop that. Never go back and forth with him. Way too pretty, gotta stop that. I'm big, how Casamigos, my pretty white toes, my natural afro, my neck and wrist rose. Yeah, work, just look at my when I twerk that man, that's that hurt. A bitch like me, yeah, I know my worth. With me is a gift and a curse.
Tutorial on how I did my soft lock. So here we go. First, I'm gonna tell you what you'll need. First thing is a crochet needle. Second is shine and jam for your braids, parts, whatever, and a rat tail comb for your party. Now, I've done my locks probably about 5 times myself, but these are probably the best locks that I've ever got. The new locks, you can get any inch you want to. I got the 24 inch. And these are probably the best locks I've ever purchased. And to wrap the hair, I get the Expression Spring Afro Twist hair, the best to work with. First and foremost, the Shine and Jam is gonna be your best friend. So you wanna use this on your parts. Literally on the inside of your part. Really don't have the best grip because I'm not a braider. We just put this all around so it can be real sleek. That we like it, okay? I don't know if I told y'all you need an edge brush, but I use an edge brush too, just to kind of make it real sleek and slick, and it will be nice and flat. Now we're gonna start braiding.
Beats music production.
Braids done. Now I'm going to show you how to attach the lock. Me personally, I don't attach the lock right at the base of the braid, only because my edges are a little thin. So what I do is unravel this lock a little bit, and then you're going to hook the crochet needle like a couple notches down on the braid, and this kind of gives it the knotless effect as well. Put that there, attach the crochet needle into the braid, and then you're going to hook the lock right onto the crochet needle like that. And you're going to close it and pull it through. Now when you get to this part, you're going to keep the lock open, and you're just going to pull your braid through. Pull it through and pull it. Now it's secure. Now you have to wrap it. So let me show you how to do that. I have about 60 something locks in my head, and I only use one pack of this hair. So a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna split the hair. I usually split it more than once because you really don't need a lot of this. And I split it again, and then you're just gonna start wrapping at the root. Let me show you. Like this. 1, 2, 3, and then start wrapping down. Once you cover your braid of hair, you can actually stop. You can just start wrapping back up and be done with it, but it's kind of just your preference. Once I get to the end of the hair, I kind of wrap it up so it kind of lock in place with one of these motions, and that is how you do puff locks. Make sure you share this with someone who needs it.
Time again. I'm gonna be doing the style that I did for Hawaii, but we're gonna be doing it with this burgundy red color. Burgundy on my t-shirt when you splashed your wine into me. We have an extra challenge today. I have really long nails, so I don't know how this is gonna go. I can barely put my seatbelt on. I have to take it off with my knuckle. I have to type in my pin with my knuckle. And this is probably not even that long for people. We're gonna see. I have freshly washed curls. They look so healthy. I'm gonna pre-part my whole head. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, it's parted. I put it into little buns though. And I put it in a bun. You know how you guys always tell me that I sound like Mabel from Gravity Falls? And then some people tell me I sound like the dinosaur from Toy Story 3 or the person from Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs? That's all the same actress. You guys are all telling me I sound like the same person. Since I did bigger parts this time, the bottom row only has 2 braids. But I think I kind of like it so far. Let's do a couple more rows and then I feel like I'll have a better opinion. Can you guys hear grades in the back? It's to the part where the interns had to diagnose patient X, and then Derek is off in the woods getting drunk. I am on the 3rd row. Thought it was gonna be a lot harder to braid with my nails, but it's not. It actually is a lot easier to part out the sections of my hair. The last time that I braided my hair when I had long nails, I think it was because I had coffin acrylic. So hard for me to braid with coffin. This is what it looks like so far. Let me show you up close. After this braid, I only have 2 rows left. This is why I like doing big boxes, because it goes so fast. Okay, come back when I do 1 more row. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. It's been 28 million hours, 17 days. I did these 4 on the top. I did these knotless instead of using the rubber band method, because I think my hair is finally long enough. I just have like a deep fear of my braid falling out, but I love knotless. And I'm not even good at it yet, because this is the first time I've ever done knotless. It's so flat. This is a whole new world. New fantastic point. Okay, so I'm just gonna split these in 3. Then I'm gonna just put a ton of shine and jam on here and tie it as tight as I can. I am so impressed by knotless. This is the world you guys have been living in. Another tip, if you guys are using the rubber band method, remember, do not tie them so tight, because you want to be able to like scrunch your face and it not feel tight. That's how I test if I'm tying my rubber bands too tight. I'm so excited. I cannot hide it. Remember that alien movie? What was that called? And I'm thirsty and I'm tired and I want to watch TV. Don't even say a word. Don't even say a word. It is burgundy. It's like purpley. It's got a purple tint to it. I feel like a freaking superhero. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like I look like I could fight. See? Doesn't it? As you guys know, when I do my goddess braids, I do more of a goddess, less of a braid. Let's count how many braids that I have. I have 27 braids. Like I told you guys on the top, I did knotless, so they lay flatter than they normally do, because you guys know I always do rubber band. So the next time I braid my hair, I'm gonna do full knotless. This is so fun! Okay friends, that's all. I hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye!
go ahead and subscribe if you didn't. I'll wait because the next video, you're gonna be a viral it girl this summer, so